Another actuator gone. So they separate, and then it sits there and rattles against the back of the wheel bearing and chatters. It makes these actually sharp, puts an edge on them. I kept hearing that rattling. The only way it would go away is if you put it in four-wheel drive. So you either have to lock the hubs all the time, or you just flip it into 4-high while you're driving. So that is the second warranty one for this side in 8,000 or 9,000 kilometers. So I've got another one in the cab because I picked it up already. Put another one in it, and then that's another warranty one gone. I should pick up another one as a spare at the rate this is going, because the other side hasn't had an issue yet, but it's probably soon to come. What a pain. So this is probably my second or third attempt at these. Well, first attempt was both sides because one failed, the other one wasn't far behind. And then apparently Ford has an issue with them currently to where they actually separate. So you'll be driving and you'll hear the same rattling you heard when they failed the first time. And so that's the second warranty one for this side. This one I had warranted about a week after I replaced it. They're like, yeah, it's kind of a common problem. As there it goes now, one little piece holding. So then it lasted another month. I started hearing the rattling again. Pulled the vacuum line so the hub stayed locked, and went and got another one because I was like, well, I can't down the truck, so kind of have to go to work and drive and everything else. So I bought another one, so when I go back they're gonna refund me that, but it's a lot of hassle for something so dumb. But that should resolve it for now anyway. See how long that one lasts. Hopefully it's a different production run from the last one. So now back together, put a line on the back of it, and just because I've done this enough times now, it's worth doing. Pull it down, make sure I got a good vacuum on it. Spins free. So let's spin the shaft, let the vacuum off. Now it's locked. So, see how long that one lasts. Nice easy test anyway. See if it's working right away. Yeah.